Welcome to another video from Gradelink websites. In this video, we'll go through the process of changing the link color in a hyperlinked text module. So within the text module, we have a hyperlink that we want to make a different color. There is a global setting for hyperlink colors, and that can be overridden within specific modules. So first step is to enable Visual Builder. Then we'll scroll to the link on the page that we want to change the color for. In this case, it's going to be a link. It says Site by Gradelink, but you can't actually see Gradelink because the link color is set to be the same color as the background. So you can see here, first of all, there's some HTML on here, so we can remove the style color because that's not actually being applied. It's being overridden by the module settings. So if we go into Design, click on Text, and then you'll see there's several tabs here. So there's like one for block quote quotation, numbered, ordered list font, unordered list font, so bullet points, and then there's a link font. So if we click on the link font tab here, we can actually adjust the styling, including the link color, for both the, you could adjust it to be different colors for mobile, tablet, or desktop, but in this case I just want it for across the board to be a white link, and I want it to be underlined. And then if I hover over it, I would like it to be a slightly off-white, so you get a slight gradient change or color change when you hover over the link. And that's all there is to it. Just click the green check mark to save changes to your page, and publish.